So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. Advance our programming for data analytics in business week 8 assignment 8. So the first question is in a panel regression where security specific unobserved heterogeneity is not modeled, what is the likely consequence of using pooled ordinary least square OLS directly? So these are the option and the answer of our first question is D. Estimates are biased and inconsistent. Now let's go to our question number 2. In the least square dummy variable LSDV method, if you have 50 securities individual units, how many dummy variables should you introduce to avoid the dummy variable trap? So these are the option and the answer of our second question is 49B. Now the third question is if lambda in the random effect model is estimated to be close to 1, what does this imply? So these are the option and the answer of our third question is C. Random effects coverages to fixed effects. So now let's go to our question number 4. Which of the following is a key limitation of the first difference estimator in panel data models? So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is B. Introduces serial correlation in error terms. Now the fifth question is in case where both fixed effect FE and random effect RE are consistent, which model is preferable? So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is B. RE due to efficiency. Now let's go to our question number 6. In pooled ordinary least square applied on multi-country panel data, market index returns dependent variable versus GDP data, the only independent variable. The GDP coefficient turned out to be insignificant. What is the most plausible reason for this result? So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is C. Unobserved country specific heterogeneity is not accounted for. So now let's go to our question number 7. What is the effect of including country dummies in the least square dummy variable model in R? So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is D. It captures country level unobserved heterogeneity. Now the eighth question is if there are 100 security, which of the following panel data method is least desirable? So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is A. LSDV, dummy variable approach. Now the ninth question is what does the Horseman test evaluate when comparing fixed effect and random effect models? So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is D. Whether random effect is consistent. Now the 10th question is what is the purpose of using robust standard errors? Example VCO, VHC in R in panel regressions. So these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is C. To correct for heterodicity and autocorrelation in residual. So submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.